Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Let's study about the next topic of our chapter of physics, that is reflection and refraction of light. So first of all, yesterday we have studied about the light and the reflection. Then after there were two optical devices, mirror and lenses. In that, now we are going to study further about that. The first one is mirror. Mirror is of two types. First one is plane mirror. Second is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Now this spherical mirror is further divided into two parts: concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror is also called converging mirror. This convex is also called diverging mirror. Okay, so these are the different type of the mirror: plane, spherical. Then spherical is divided into concave and convex. After that, the lenses are also divided into two categories, and these categories are concave lens and convex lens. Basically, the names are same, but the properties are different. Whatever the properties, whatever the characteristics of this concave mirror is there, that will be of convex lens. The characteristics or the properties of concave mirror is similar to convex lens, and the properties of convex lens or diverging mirror is similar to concave. That we will study further during the explanation of different topics separately. Now, after that, we have to study about the plane mirror. Today we will study about plane mirror and the law of reflection. Law of reflection. So in both these points we will have to finish out. Today we will finish out what are the laws of reflection, what are the characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror. So here we will study and begin our topic with law of reflection. First thing is law of reflection. So I think all of you have studied class 8. कोई ऐसा तो नहीं है जो class 8 बिना पढ़े 10th में आ गया हो. I don't think that there is any student that who have not studied in class 8. So in class 8 we have studied about two laws. First one is angle I is equal to angle R. That means angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Here we will draw the image. This is the incident ray. Then this is the reflected ray. This is called normal. ये गलत है, गलत बात. Okay. So the angle of incidence, this is called angle of incidence, which is equal to the angle of reflection. There is surety, 100% sure that angle of reflection is always equal to angle of incident, or angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. चलो ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट हो गया. सेकेंड पॉइंट, I R N lies on same plane. देख लो सही है कि गलत है. ये हमारा N है, ये I है और ये R है. तीनों देखो सेम पॉइंट. They all are falling on the same point. So that is the second law of reflection, that all the points means angle of incident ray, reflected ray and the normal ray will fall on the same point. Okay. After that we have to study about the plane mirror. Let's see what is about plane mirror and the characteristics of the image formed by plane mirror. Plane mirror. So this is a mirror. बना लेते हैं. प्लेन है ना. प्लेन मिरर होता क्या पता है? घर पे शीशा देखा है, बाल झाड़ा है ना. दैट इज प्लेन मिरर. जिस शीशे में देख के अपनी शक्ल देखते हो ना सारा दिन में 4 बार 10 बार जाते हो, उसको प्लेन मिरर बोलते हैं. सो इफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट दिस पॉइंट, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड द मिरर इज 2 मीटर मान लिया. Then the image formed inside the mirror will be also at the distance of 2 मीटर. ठीक है. साइज जितना ऑब्जेक्ट का होगा उतना ही इमेज का होगा. अगर तुम अपना फेस लेके जाओगे मिरर के सामने तो केवल फेस दिखेगा, फेस के अलावा कुछ लेके जाओगे तो वो भी दिखेगा, नहीं ले जाओगे तो नहीं दिखेगा. सो द साइज फॉर्म विल ऑलवेज बी इक्वल. साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू द साइज ऑफ इमेज. सेकेंड थिंग, इट विल बी वर्चुअल इरेक्ट. देख लो एरो में, इसका सर ऊपर है तो इसका भी सर ऊपर. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि इसका सर ऊपर हो और इसका नीचे हो जाए. प्लेन मिरर की बात हो रही है, उसके अलावा नहीं. सो इन द प्लेन मिरर there will be same distance, same size, image will be virtual erect. So let's write the points. First one, image will be virtual and erect. Second one, virtual erect. देख लो, top is top, bottom is bottom. Second is same distance. Okay. Third is same size. Object and image both will be same size. The distance from the mirror to object, the distance from mirror to image will be same distance. And the last one, laterally inverted. Laterally inverted. Inverted. ई का होता है. Laterally inverted means left becomes right and right becomes left. Suppose that this object is having this type of arrowhead like this. So the image formed will be having left to right, means this arrowhead that is in the left side that will go to the right side like this. So this is called laterally inverted, and these were the properties of plane mirror, image formed by plane mirror. In next video we will study about the properties of image formed by concave mirror and convex mirror. Thank you.